What's up, Mavericks? If you're planning to sell online, you've probably realized there are tons of e-commerce platforms out there, all promising to make your life easier. The truth is, not all of them will. Some are built for quick setup but limit your growth. Others give you endless customization but require serious technical skills. And then there are the platforms that claim to do everything but end up doing nothing well. That's why today I'm breaking down the 5 best e-commerce platforms for small business owners. I'm counting down from number 5 all the way to our top overall pick. So let's kick it off with our first choice. Wix earns its spot here for 2 big reasons: speed and simplicity. If you need to get your online store up and running fast, but you're not tech savvy, Wix has you covered. The platform uses a drag and drop editor that lets you build your site visually without touching a single line of code. Just pick from one of their 2,000 plus templates, customize it to match your brand, add your products, and you're done. Or if you want to skip that, Wix has an AI website builder that can generate a site for you based on a few questions about your business. Wix has 4 pricing plans, but you'll need at least the core plan to unlock e-commerce features like a product catalog, abandoned cart recovery, and loyalty programs. Wix is best if you value ease of use over advanced features. It's not the most powerful e-commerce platform out there, and you may hit some limitations as you scale. But if your priority is getting a professional-looking store online quickly without hiring a developer, Wix delivers. Next up is WooCommerce, which is completely different from everything else on this list. WooCommerce isn't a standalone website builder. It's a plugin that turns your WordPress site into a fully functional online store. And because WordPress powers over 40% of websites on the internet, WooCommerce has become one of the most popular e-commerce solutions in the world. And it's not hard to see why. What really makes WooCommerce stand out is customization. Because it's built on WordPress, you have access to thousands of plugins and themes that let you build exactly the store you want. You can control every detail from checkout flows to product displays to advanced inventory management. If you can imagine it, chances are WooCommerce can handle it. The trade-off is that WooCommerce requires more hands-on management than other platforms. You're responsible for security, updates, and making sure everything works together. If you're comfortable with WordPress or you're willing to learn, that's definitely not a problem. But if you want something that just works out of the box, this probably isn't the best fit for you. The WooCommerce plugin itself is free to download and install, but here's the catch. You'll need to pay for web hosting, a domain name, and optional premium themes or extensions. Hosting costs vary widely depending on your provider, performance needs, and traffic levels. When it comes down to it, WooCommerce is ideal for businesses that want total control over their online store and don't mind handling the technical side themselves. Taking the number 3 spot is BigCommerce, a platform built for businesses that are serious about scaling. BigCommerce positions itself as an enterprise-level solution that's still accessible to small and mid-sized businesses. And what really separates BigCommerce from the competition is how much functionality is built directly into the platform. A lot of other e-commerce builders rely heavily on third-party apps to add features. BigCommerce includes advanced tools for inventory management, multi-channel selling, customer segmentation, and abandoned cart recovery right out of the box. BigCommerce ties your plan to your annual revenue, which means you're never stuck on a tier that doesn't match where you are. That's a huge benefit for growing businesses that don't want to worry about outgrowing their platform. BigCommerce has 3 pricing tiers plus an enterprise plan with custom pricing. All plans include unlimited products and users plus 24/7 live phone and chat support. And one of the biggest advantages is that BigCommerce doesn't charge transaction fees on any plan. You're only paying your payment processor, which can save you serious money as your sales volume grows. BigCommerce works well for businesses that expect to scale quickly or that are already doing significant online sales. It's also a strong choice for B2B sellers who need features like customer-specific pricing, bulk ordering, and quote management. The learning curve for BigCommerce is steeper than something like Wix or Square Online, but the trade-off is a platform that can grow with you for years without having to migrate. Now, if you need something more simple than BigCommerce, this one's for you. Taking the number 2 spot is Square Online, which is ideal if you want a straightforward e-commerce solution without a big upfront investment. One of the best things about Square Online is how well it integrates with Square's point of sale system. If you're already using Square to process payments in person, your inventory, sales data, and customer information sync automatically between your physical and online stores. That makes it incredibly easy to manage omni-channel sales with just one system. The platform is designed to be simple, so you're not dealing with a steep learning curve or complex settings. You pick a template, add your products, set up Square payments, and you're ready to sell. Square Online offers a completely free plan that includes everything you need to start selling online, a basic website builder with SEO tools, product listings, checkout, and even social media integration. You'll only pay transaction fees when you make a sale. If you need more features, check out the paid Plus and Premium plans. You'll get abandoned cart recovery, advanced shipping options, and lower transaction fees. Square Online works best for small businesses, especially those that sell both online and in person. It's also a great choice if you're just getting started with e-commerce and don't want to commit to expensive monthly fees. To learn more about everything Square has to offer, be sure to check out our video, What is Square and How Does It Work? That's linked in our description. And taking the #1 spot is Shopify, the go-to platform for small business e-commerce. Shopify earns the top position because it strikes the best balance between ease of use, powerful features, and scalability. But what really sets Shopify apart is how complete the platform feels right out of the box. You get a professional website builder, secure hosting, payment processing through Shopify Payments, inventory management, and built-in marketing tools. And if that's not enough, the App Store has thousands of integrations to add even more functionality. Shopify also makes it easy to sell across multiple channels. You can sync your products with Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, eBay, and other marketplaces, all managed from a single dashboard. That's a huge advantage if you're trying to reach customers wherever they're shopping. The platform is designed to grow with you, whether you're launching your first product or managing thousands of SKUs across multiple locations. Shopify has the infrastructure to support it. Shopify has several pricing plans, including the starter plan that lets you sell on social media, all the way to Shopify Plus with enterprise level features for high volume sellers. Most businesses will want to start with a basic plan, but keep in mind that each tier unlocks additional features like better shipping rates, advanced reporting, and lower transaction fees. Shopify isn't the cheapest option on this list, and it's not as open-ended as platforms like WooCommerce, but for most small business owners, it's the best all-around choice. It's reliable, it's well supported, and it just works. If you want to learn more about how Shopify works before committing, check out our video, What is Shopify? That's linked in our description. And if you're ready to get started, I've dropped the sign up link there for you as well. So those are the 5 best e-commerce platforms for small business, from the quick setup of Wix to the all-around power of Shopify. Don't just pick the platform with the best marketing or the lowest price. Think about your actual needs, your technical comfort level, and where you want your business to be in a year or two. And if you're looking for more help getting your online store off the ground, check out our video about choosing the right payment processor for your business, whether you sell online, in person, or a combination of both. I'll drop the link in our description.